Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Henry Moody here with the song called Pick Up the Phone. Alright, so pick up the phone, go into this YouTube channel here on Gordon Guitar and learn this cool song here from Henry Moody. Why not? Let's take a look at this. And we need to start here with the capo on the 3rd fret. Alright, so with that we have the easiest chords possible. So we're gonna look at the chords. I believe there are 5 different chords here needed for the song. So we'll start with the F first. That's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the next chord here, the A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have C now, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So before we look into the chord progressions and parts and like all that, we need to learn the strumming pattern, right? So grab the F, that's the first chord, and one strum around will be down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Pretty long one, but I think you will get it pretty soon. It sounds like this. Alright, so we'll start with down, down, and then comes up, down, and then down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. So the first 2 downs are a little bit separated from the rest, so it will be down, down, and then comes up, down, up, pretty much in one flow there. So a couple of rounds of it will be Alright, so that's how I handle it. Now let's take a look at the different parts here. The verse play, it's in this order: F, 1 strumming round, A minor, 1 round, G, 1 round, and C, 1 round. That's 1 chord progression. You're gonna play 2 chord progression rounds here. The first verse, I believe, is just 1 down per chord. It starts in that way, and the second verse is like I just told you here, the strumming here with the 2 rounds of F, A minor, G, and C. Alright, then we have the pre-chorus, and yeah, the first one is 1 down. We have to start with 1 down on all these chords here for both first and second pre-chorus, so we will not use any strumming pattern here for pre-chorus. So only downs, 1s. So the first one will be D minor, A minor, C, and G. For only that round, and that's the first pre-chorus. The second pre-chorus is D minor, now F, then A minor, and G. The second one is also for that only chord progression round 1. So first one, D minor, A minor, C, and G. The second one is D minor, F, A minor, and G. Alright, and then we'll play the chorus, and now we'll go back with the strumming here. We're gonna play F, 1 strumming round, A minor, 1 strumming round, and G, 2 strumming rounds. That 3 chords makes up for 1 chord progression, and you will play for 2 chord progression rounds there, both in the first and second chorus. It goes like this. That's 1 round. You play it for 2 rounds, and there you have your choruses. Then about 1 minute and 51 seconds into the song come the bridge part. It's after the second chorus there, and it's D minor, F, C, and G. One strumming round per chord. So D minor, F, C, G. You do that for 2 rounds, and then you go back to play the third chorus. That's how the song ends. And with that ending, it's just vocal parts there, so no need for any playing there. So pretty much the playing is ended after the bridge part there. So that pretty much wraps it up for handling Moody's Pick Up the Phone. So thank you for your support, guys. I really love it. So if you could subscribe to this channel, I would be more than happy. And yeah, till next time, guys, play tuned.